The next thing I'm going to talk about on Google Spreadsheet is the Revisions tab. And basically, a lot similar if you watch the document clips to how that works. Google will save older versions of your document as you're editing it. So if for some reason you need to go back to an older version, this is how you do it. Also, if you have multiple people working on a document, and I'll show you how to share, invite collaborators later, if they change something and then you go to the new document, you would be able to go back and look at older versions and see exactly all the changes they made, and then you could go back to an older one if you needed to, or you could just use it to see what's happening. So what you do is just go to this Revisions tab, and then it brings up your document, but you've got this little revision box right here. And to browse revisions, you can go through the drop-down, and then you can see the time, and you would see the date as well, but I only have 1 day ago because I started it yesterday and then I've only been editing today. But if I've been editing multiple days, you would see that. And then you can kind of see a brief description. Began edits, made edits, sorted, and all these. And if you want to just look at one, you can skip straight to it by clicking here. You can also use the older and newer tabs to go back and forth. And a lot of this looks very similar because I didn't make too many changes. But you get the idea about how this works and why it could be useful to be able to go back to older versions of the same document that you're in and not have to worry about going too far and messing something up. So if you find that you do need to go to an old version, you'll want to find it either using the drop-down or these older and newer buttons. And then when you find it, come over here and you want to revert to this one. So that's how you use the Revisions tab and go back to older versions of your document in Google Spreadsheet.